Hi, so may I know your good name?
I'm Isha.
Amisha. Hi,
Isha.
I'm sorry, Isha. Isha, so how was your overall experience at LevelUp IAS in this foundation course?
I was very new to UPSC, of course. So I spoke to Karandeep sir and I joined Level Up. I was very dicey at the start. Ki how will it be, because of just started and everything. But towards the end, there are different institutes. People come and ask me for the notes of Level Up. So I know that, and I'm able to solve different questions of other institutes. So it has given me definitely confidence for the first time, setting for pre. So it has been overall a good experience.
What would you say about the faculties, like how approachable they were?
Oh, faculties were super approachable, 24/7. You can text them anytime, and it's not even academic doubts. Even if you are going through something, or even if you are not comfortable with something, or whatever besides academic, also they are always available. If you are not feeling, if you are feeling depressed with all the studies and it's getting very monotonous, they are always ready to boost up. But faculty is amazing.
That's great. You also must have got some mentors also with whom you had the mentorship sessions. So how good were they? How productive were they for you?
I got great insight with the mentorship sessions. Teachers were they were just not talking about academics. They were talking about how we need to approach the exam mentally as well.
Yeah.
So that's I feel that people hardly do. So through those mentorship session, I prepared my mind how to go about the exam.
And talking about the weekly test and monthly test that used to happen, objective and subjective. So how helpful were they for you in this preparation?
Right now, when I'm able to give these full-length tests, I feel the weekly test and the monthly test really helped me get to this stage that where I'm able to give the full-length test, and it has boosted up my confidence and how to attempt revision, how to attempt the questions and everything.
Okay, and you must have also got the online access also, the portal access. So how flexible was it for you, taking the test online if you're not here and offline? So what would you say about that?
Of course, it's available. The test is available, and we can even give the test even though the timeline has passed. So that's very flexible. You can give the test as per your convenience. Even classes are available online. So even though if you're not able to come and attend the classes offline, there's some issue. So the portal is also very accessible and convenient and user friendly.
And how helpful were the others? Was the other staff, like the front desk staff and the other?
Front desk ma'ams are also very sweet and very helpful. Even the people who handed us the handouts and the support staff and everyone, they were all very sweet and helpful and always ready as per our demand and everything.
And since you mentioned about the handouts also, so I want to know how handouts have helped you in this preparation. Like
in my preparation, handouts are my primary source. I don't refer any book. None of the books. I spoke to the teachers. They were like, our handouts have everything, and I trust them, and I'm completely going through handouts. I'm not referring any other book as well.
Okay, so Isha, thank you so much for giving me your time.
Thank you, ma'am.
I really wish you good luck for this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.